Creating a birthday video with pictures and music for Instagram can be a fun and memorable way to celebrate. Here's a simplified guide. Gather content. Collect the photos and videos you want to include in your birthday video. Ensure they are on your mobile device. Choose an app. Instagram offers a feature called Stories that allows you to create short videos. Alternatively, you can use third-party apps like InShot, Viva Video, or Canva for more creative control. Start a new project. Open your chosen app and start a new project. Select the aspect ratio suitable for Instagram, typically 9:16 or 16:9. Import media. Import your photos and videos into the project. Most apps will let you arrange them in a sequence. Add music. Choose a birthday song or a tune that fits the celebration. Apps usually allow you to import music from your device. Edit and customize. Edit each photo's duration. Add captions, stickers, or animated text to make it more personalized. Transitions. Apply transitions between photos for a smoother flow. Preview and adjust. Play the video to ensure it's the way you want. Make any necessary adjustments. Export. Save the video to your device. Share on Instagram. Open Instagram, go to your story and share the video. You can add additional stickers, tags, or text to make it even more engaging.